Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to create your own avatar in Messenger. So to begin, we're going to go up to the top left corner with those three bars. And now we're going to go up to the Settings tab. And then we're going to scroll down to Avatar. And now it says Make Your Avatar. We're going to click on that. Okay, and now we're going to go through the settings. So we choose skin tone, different hairstyles, different hair color, face shape, and now we have different outfits that we can choose. So I'm going to go with this one. Sync avatar. Yes, we're going to click sync. And now we have created our own avatar. It's going to take a few seconds to load. Click next. And now you have successfully created your own avatar on Messenger. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.